Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about 4 basic investing strategies for beginners. When you start investing your money, there are a few decisions you need to be thinking about. Most of which are very personal choices like your financial goals, the amount you can afford to invest, what you will invest in, and understanding investing strategies. Your personal investing strategy should be about minimizing your risk, but maximizing your return as best you can. Let's take a look more at our 4 basic investing strategies for beginners. Also, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Invest in a diversified portfolio. Perhaps the most important investment strategy is diversification. A diversified portfolio means you have a wide range of assets, including different types of holdings and different issuers. Why is diversification so important? Well, it's just like that old saying about not putting all your eggs in one basket. If you drop that overladen basket and don't have any other eggs in reserve, you're in a messy situation. If one of the companies you own stock in goes under, for instance, you won't be entirely sunk if you own shares of other firms and some government bonds, for good measure. Some investors like to diversify even further by investing not only in stocks and bonds, but also in real estate and other tangible assets, like gold or silver. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds are popular among new investors because they offer immediate diversification. Number 2. Set goals for investing. What are your goals for investing? If you need the money for a short-term goal, like a down payment, you shouldn't invest it in stocks. You're better off putting it in a CD, money market account or high-yield savings account. But if you're looking at a long-term goal, like retirement, investing in stocks makes more sense. You might even consider hiring a financial advisor to make sure your investing decisions are appropriate for your long-term goals. An advisor can help you assess your risk tolerance and make more informed decisions. Number 3. Learn more about the stock market. Research the assets you're considering, keeping both their historical performance and current events in mind. The easiest way to learn about the stock market is simply to spend a few minutes each day reading the news. You can also enhance your personal finance knowledge by reading some of our favorite books about investing for beginners. Number 4. Commit to investing for the long term. And finally, keep in mind that you're investing for the long term. Market fluctuations are an everyday reality. Although it can be tempting to rip your money out of the market when you see a scary headline, don't look at investing from a short-term perspective. Diversify your holdings, and sit tight through the lean times. The market usually corrects itself over time. So that sums up our 4 basic investing strategies for beginners. Hope you learned something new. If you did, please leave a like and share with your friends. Until next time, have a good day.